class. I'm Lori White. I'm the professor for the Accounting 203 class. That's the intermediate accounting class here at Jefferson Online. I'm sure most of you know it's an 8-week class. We will talk about various accounting principles. We'll talk about our basic financial statements, which are the balance sheet, the income statement, the cash flow statement, and the statement of retained earnings. We'll also learn about GAAP, which is the generally accepted accounting principles, and we utilize those when we prepare our financial statements. I'm so glad to have each of you in the class. I look forward to working with you. You can contact me via email. I check my email usually about twice a day, and if we need to, we can also set up a video conference or a phone call. I'm more than willing to do that as well. But I just want you to know I'm here. I'm willing to help you and look forward to working with you. Just a quick little bit about myself. I have 4 children. They're all in school, so that gives me time throughout the day to kind of work on my class and follow up with your emails and that sort of thing. I love being with my family and friends and enjoy being outside. I try to walk a couple days a week. Don't get that done each week, but I try to do that. But anyways, that's just a little bit about me. I look forward to working with you. And again, reach out if you have any questions, any concerns, or there's any sort of confusion, and I will get back with you and we'll work through it. But again, welcome to the class. See ya. Have a good week. Bye.